Hello. Have you ever experienced this behavior where you are searching something on your favorite search engine and suddenly you start receiving recommendations on other applications like Facebook or Amazon? For example, you're searching something on your search engine, maybe you're searching for a pair of shoes, and suddenly you start receiving recommendations of that shoes on Facebook and Amazon. It's because these applications are exchanging data. I felt a little bit uncomfortable with this. I have not given any permission to any of these apps to exchange the data. It would be nice if we could actually block this data being exchanged without our permission. Today, in this video, I wanted to share a product that will allow you to actually block this data being exchanged between other applications or to third-party companies. I found this product very useful. I've been using this product for the last 6 months. So far it has blocked around 200,000 such data exchanges. I wanted to share the details with you, so if you find it useful, you can use it as well. This specific product is available only for iPhone users. It is not applicable for Android users. So iPhone users can go to App Store and type in Lockdown, Lockdown, and look for Lockdown Privacy. That's the name of the application, Lockdown Privacy. You download the application, and once you download it, it will take to install the application, and it will take you through a sign up process. Once you sign up, launch the application, and you will see two screens. The first screen is called Firewall and the second one is called Secure Tunnel. The second one is a paid service. That is not what we are talking about in this. It's a paid service, and it is used to get extra security on when you're using the phone. For example, if you wanted to hide your location or if you wanted to hide the IP address, you can use a Secure Tunnel. Again, that's a paid service. And what we are talking here is the first one, which is what is used to block this data from being transmitted from your phone to the outside companies. So you turn the firewall on. Once you turn the firewall on, it will ask for a configuration change. Allow the configuration change. Once you allow that, you are ready to go. So if you look at the block list, that block list shows, if you click on that, that will show all the different apps that will be all the different applications that will be blocked, and by default it blocks most of the data from being transmitted. But what I have done here is I have blocked everything. I went through all the different options here, like Amazon, trackers, ClickBit, crypto mining, all those things, and I blocked everything. Once you block everything, then it will start. You can look at the statistics at today, this week, and all time to know how many data are being blocked by your phone. Like I said, I have been using this for almost like 6 months. So far I have not seen any performance issues with this application. I hope you like this. It will be useful. This specific application will be useful for you. Thank you.